So guys, here is what I got. String of ice, got some Vienna sausage. I'm gonna get some junga, get some big fruit. Guys, I love to eat this with the cheese.
Welcome to the Francis YouTube channel.
So guys, we are going in the supermarket and to get some few stuff to take home. So some mall. Yes, so we're gonna get some snacks and water. Yeah, but out here is nice, warm, feel good. Yeah. You gonna come out? Where? Oh, so my phone can't get it too? Or not?
Yeah, but your phone, you're going to reprogram your phone.
Oh.
You're going to reprogram your phone.
Oh, so in a bit, you know.
My phone already done the reprogram already from 21, so every time you go, you just have to touch it.
But you don't have to reprogram. Yes, sir. Big, yeah, yeah. Oh, thank you.
Syrup?
It says Punchy Cuba. Gee, make carb some
How much for you?
$2,301. Not bad.
Water. You want water, don't you?
Yeah.
You want? What kind of water you want?
Plain water. They see water there. One case, yeah. You didn't see the lemon one, babe?
But no, the original is
Oh. Them nice, but I drink them. Let's go.
Lemon Smirnoff ice?
Yeah, the lemon one. A lemon or apple? It's fine. instead of it. Take on one. That's it? You have dishwashing liquid there?
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah, look at it nice. Huh? We done past the bananas, right? See it here. Look, babe. See it here. This is my one.
Just to go back the sun.
Yeah. Babe, look. See it here. Yeah, me just show you the difference. You find grape nut? Hey! Yeah. Raw too. Babe, you remember toffee? Let me take out that chips then. Guys, Jamaican supermarket. So guys, we mostly get like something to like snack on and stuff like that. I don't think we're gonna cook because we're gonna eat by my husband's sister. So we're gonna eat out. Probably one and two times we'll do some cooking and stuff like that. So. Oh, my pack for you. Oh, you have to let the basket. She buy a lot of stuff. She must buy a lot. Oh yeah, watch it. Oh, come and know that woman in there. Oh. So where you see that? Huh? Hours?
Assistant, you can express line.
1,000 something.
No, this is 36.
Where you look on? Up 3,000. Where you look on 30,000? Oh my god. What is this up to that?
Sir? The case of water, which one? You left it here. The case of.
So guys, here is what I got. Here is what I got. Strain of ice. Yeah, the red stripe one. Sorry. And I got some Vienna sausage. Them nice, you know. And I got the jerk one, the chicken one. You know, I'm gonna get some junga. Yes. These are the river jangas. Smells so good. Spicy. And I'm gonna put this over here. And get some Bigfoot. Guys, I love to eat this with the cheese. Love, love, love. So some cheese. Look on this. Yeah. And you know. Yeah. And guys, Mr. the bun, watch out. Soft, man. And when the cheese going on that thing, man. Guys, prestige donuts. Oh. And I got some of the small banners there. I got my hot dogs and the bread. And I got some raisin bread. Yeah. I'm gonna got my water because let me tell you, that sun today. Oh my god. Oh my god. So I put these in our freezer. Every one of them I put in our freezer. I want them hard like rock because that sun today, I felt as though I was in an oven. True. So I bought what I wanted, and this is what I wanted. And like I said, I don't think we're gonna be cooking, no, because we're on vacation. It's more of eating out. And my husband's sisters, they cook breakfast and stuff like that. So, you know. Yes, guys. So, show you what I buy in the supermarket.